In this episode, we're going to take a look at user inputs. And so, we are going to be able to format our inputs in certain ways. For example, if we have a salary, notice it's automatically adding in the commas. And this is going to be configurable and customizable based on what you need. For the birth date, we can put in a year, and then a month, and then a day. And we can also enter things in as time formats. So if we want to enter in something at maybe 8 a.m., then we can do that as well. And then have formatting for our phone numbers. So for example, if I did a 555-867-5309, you'll see that it formats it in a US telephone number. We can also do something for credit cards. So it is automatically adding the spaces based on the appropriate card. And then you can get into complete customizable solutions where it's going to add a delimiter. It's also going to add uppercasing, and it is also formatted in a block. So I can't type anything additional here because it is only requiring this format. So as we are developing our applications, we need to take into account the user experience, the front-end validations, and also back-end validations. And so in this episode, we're going to focus on the user experience part of that, where we can add these kind of delimiters and input formats. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift and Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.